Hi, my name is Nadia Party and I'm a broker with the Valley Relocation Team at Century 21 Aspire Realty Limited in Petawawa. Today we are visiting a home in the heart of Petawawa at 30 Hilda Street. It's a large family home and it has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a large eat-in country kitchen, spacious rooms, and finished on 3 levels. It's a great place for a growing family.
At least I'm not alone in my empathy. There's more like me who don't know how to be, how to reach out to the open arms, how to reach out to the open arms. Blue skies turning red, and I don't know if it's more bitter, beautiful. Yeah, blue skies turning red, and I don't know, should I be scared or grateful? How can I see the beautiful? Broken from the start, I am nothing more than roses at the side of a busy road. How I'm crawling for a worthy goal. I can see I'm not alone in my empathy. There are ghosts all around and they're telling me I should reach out to the open arms. How to reach out to the open arms.
This home also has a large detached triple bay garage with an 8-foot loft.
Blue skies turning red.
If you'd like to book a private viewing, please contact me, Nadia Party, at 613-401-2308 or my partner,
Nicole Walters at 613-401-2045.